Hello, this is a tool of face recognition system or face detection system. First of all, this is a cloud-based tool, not a local system-based tool, because this is a work on web base. Okay, this is a software work on your browser. If you install or configure in your server or in your cloud, in your live server or live cloud, then it will access anywhere in the world. Okay, this is the first benefit of this tool. First of all, you can run in one time, okay, and access in every time. Number of times you can access number of machines, but you can run in one time. First, you can run, right click app.py, right click, and you can see here is a link to access this tool. Click here, and this is the tool interface. And first I want to tell you something. This is our data set. Okay, data set is used to detect the faces known and unknown person, between known and unknown person. Okay, first of all, like my name is Usama, so I make a folder named Usama, and now I am train my detection system, so it detect my face by my name. Okay, first I will start train the model. First I press start train the model. It will start a camera for a second, and he will capture a number of pictures. I will see you, I can see, yes, you can see this is a capture my 29 pictures, because it will when live detection is started, he will use to tool used to detect the right person, and this is make a data set. Okay, and you can see when the training is done, you can see that in the terminal showed done. Okay, now